I'm Kris Hunter, and I am Creating with Kris Hunter is the name of my business page. This is going to be a fun summer bag. Okay, this is sweater fabric. This is a bag. And we're going to kind of lay it out first. This trim right here, I love. It's beautiful and it's thin. It's a thinner trim. I think this trim is going to go beautiful. I want to get my center on the trim. So I'm just going to put it together like this. I'm going to start by peeling this sticky off in the middle. So, and this is there, guys. That's there. Okay, this is super sticky 3M tape that you will be using on this. Okay. And it also makes it where if I wanted to pull this off, I could reuse this on something else. Look at that so far. Look at how cute it is, guys. Look at how darling. Okay, so we're not gonna stop there. We aren't gonna stop there. I am going to come right here, and I've got some silk flowers. We're gonna use these silk flowers. I'm gonna take these flowers apart. I just took the center out of this flower. I'm gonna actually sew them on here because I want them to stick. I want them to stick on there, okay? And so I took the bottom 4 petals like this. I'm gonna take my bag. I want this to be right here. I'm gonna take my needle and thread. I already have a needle and thread threaded. I'm gonna bring it through the back, bring it up through the flower, okay, through the center of the flower. Okay. We're gonna pull some of these apart, just like we did the other one, and you just pull them apart like that. This is the little bunch that I'm gonna use, and we're just sewing this center in. So we've got that one, and I'm gonna do the same thing with this one. So I have this big piece of Totally Dazzled. It's got some pearl on it. And then I have another Totally Dazzled piece that go right here. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this piece down. I'm not. Our glue is going to hold. Now I am able to get this set on top of the silk flower, so it's not going to go through. This is not going to go through. This is sitting on top of the silk flower. So that is what we did there. And one last bit. Okay. Guys, I am loving this bag. I am loving this bag.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.